Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing an exciting new box from Simply Earth. Every once in a while, they'll come out with a different box aside from their monthly recipe box, and sometimes it's laundry. They have a candle kit right now, which is great for making your own DIY clean fall candle, and this one is a perfume kit. So I'm really excited. I have not opened this yet, and I'm going to share what's in the box, share a link in the description, and make a perfume because I think it's pretty simple. I've made lots of essential oil perfumes on this channel before. If you haven't seen any of those, make sure you go back, but this one is going to be made a little differently. So you open the box, and hopefully I can share or show. There we go. So this is what comes in the box. I think you're going to make or get everything you need to make 3 perfumes. So we have 3 boxes that look like this. We have a box, a little cute box, and then we have this, which is Perfumer's alcohol, and I just opened and shared the September monthly recipe box, which is a totally different box. It ships monthly and you get essential oils, recipes, and things to make a bunch of DIYs with essential oils. But a small bottle of this came in the September box, and I made my first perfume with it right here, which is called the Amber Musk perfume. So if you want to just have a little sample of this, what's going on here, you don't get any bottles like this, but you do get a recipe to make your own little perfume. But anyways, these I'm assuming are the perfume bottles. So let's open them. They look really pretty on the box. They're really pretty. So this is a pretty big size perfume too. So that's why you're getting a big bottle of the Perfumer's alcohol. So 3 glass spray bottles with gold tops. They're really pretty. I'll put the price of the box up on the screen. I'm not sure off the top of my head what it is, but here's the second bottle, and then I'll just open the third. All of their products and their essential oils and all of their kits are always priced so well and so affordable. They don't like overpriced essential oils. Their goal as a company is to have affordable essential oils, but not lacking in the quality department. And then this box lastly has some essential oils and then some little tester strips, it looks like. Some labels, they look like cute little labels, and then a little funnel. You'll always need a little funnel when making essential oil DIYs. What is this? The instruction card, a recipe card, and then the essential oils you get are vanilla woods and lava. These are 2 essential oil blends. Hopefully that's gonna focus. Lava is a blend of grapefruit, blood orange, hoe wood, and sandalwood. And then vanilla woods is one of my favorite blends. It's Peru balsam, benzoin, and vanilla oleo resin. Sorry. So this one smells, oh, I should have saved this one and gave it away. I already have this, but I use this a lot. It's very sweet and warm vanilla sugary, and I'm going to save this and add it to my giveaway pile. I already have lava. So this one it's a really good balanced blend. It's sweet and citrusy, but it's also very rounding with the sandalwood. It's a perfect blend. Sandalwood is a very bougie, I guess, essential oil to make in recipes like this for perfumes. So we have luxurious DIY perfume. It's going to take 5 minutes. The shelf life is 1 year. This is a 50 ml bottle, so this is what size we're making, and the dilution rate is 5%. So you're going to need 50 milliliters of this 50 milliliter perfume bottle, test strips, label, and then 30 to 50 drops of essential oil. So choose one option for each perfume, 30 drops vanilla woods or 50 drops lava, or for the third one is optional, and I think I'm going to make my own blend for the third, but we're going to do 10 drops vanilla and then 40 drops of lava, so a blend of the 2. You don't have to use these oils. I do love these oils. I think they're great for making perfumes, and they're good versatile ones too. This one isn't like sweet floral. Oh my gosh, it's definitely feminine. I feel like this could be a unisex fragrance as well as vanilla woods. Like, this one's not over the top. I feel like feminine. I don't know. That's just my opinion. But anyways, make your own scent if you want for the third or for all of them. Test each scent combination by placing 3 drops vanilla woods on the first, 5 drops of lava on the second, and 1 and 4 on the third strip. Feel free to get creative. So these to test out what your perfume is going to smell like. Then you're going to first add essential oils to the perfume bottle using a total of 50 drops or less. It's just up to you. It's kind of a play around type of thing too. So you can start with 20 drops. If you feel like you want it to be stronger, go ahead and add more. And then also these are going to adapt and change as time goes on. And so in a week, smell it again, and it might smell stronger. It probably will still smell stronger, or it could smell different if you're making a blend. So slowly fill the rest with perfumer's alcohol, swirling as you go. Replace the cap and swirl the bottles until it's fully solubilized into the alcohol, and then to use brand pulse points like you would any perfume. And then it says tips from Katie, which is the aromatherapist on staff or on one of the creators of Simply Earth. As you test different combinations, keep in mind the scent will change slightly once they're diluted in alcohol. Do not exceed 30 drops of vanilla, 3% in your final perfume to avoid irritation. Another note is essential oils contain natural pigment, so like blue tansy is blue, and that will stain things. So just keep that in mind too when you're making perfume. And then also always take into consideration the oils you're putting into the blend. Are they photosensitive, photosensitizer oils, like all the citrus oils basically. There is a list, and maybe I will just put it here, but there's a list of essential oils that if you apply onto your skin and then go into direct sunlight, it's going to cause a reaction, like a rash onto your skin. So let's make the Vanilla Woods perfume. So I'm going to grab the label first. So there is a label called Sunkissed. I'm assuming that's the one where you mix the lava and, right, I'm assuming that's the one where you mix the lava and Vanilla Woods together. There is a lava label, and then there is a Vanilla Woods label. So I'm going to put that one on. This is a nice label. It looks like a waterproof one. So I'm just going to put it right onto the bottle. That's really cute. I like these. I think they did a really good job on the labels and the perfume bottles themselves. You want to make sure you store them in a drawer or in your cabinet in your bathroom or somewhere out of direct sunlight because they are clear, but they just look more pretty. So you're taking the lid off. We're going to use Vanilla Woods, right? What was so 30 drops of Vanilla Woods. You want to give it mix up first. This is a blend itself, so mix up the bottle first. And I'm just going to add 30 drops, maybe. That was 30 drops. Now I'm just going to add the little funnel so we can put in the perfumer's alcohol. Less messy that way. And this is 190 proof ethyl alcohol, SDA 40B, if you're curious as to how it's different than other alcohols. A lot of people I've seen have used just 100 proof or a different, actually vodka too in making perfume. I know there's different things that you can use, but this is just the way that this box is making it. So you can see too how this is an amber color, just because the essential oil is brown. Vanilla oleo resin is a thick and dark essential oil, or oleo resin. So I'm filled to the top. I'm going to put the spray bottle back on. You were supposed to swirl as you were dumping that in, and I wasn't. So I'm going to swirl and give it a really good mix up now. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty in the bottle. Hopefully you're seeing it and it's in focus so that you can see the label and how cute this bottle is. Let's see how it smells. It kind of smells like cream soda. It smells really good. I can't wait to see how it's going to marinate and age in the bottle as well. It smells so good though. And this definitely could be like a unisex fragrance, Vanilla Woods. I feel like actually it could be a cologne. So there is Vanilla Woods. Let's make the lava blend now. Make sure they're even. Okay, so for lava, we're going to use 50 drops of the blend. And then again, I'm gonna cut off my funnel. And we're gonna do it right this time. I'm going to add a little bit, whoops, and swirl. This one's filled to the top. It's another different, really pretty color in the bottle too. I'm going to give it a good mix up. This one smells super good too. I don't know where the name lava comes from, but this is very citrusy and fresh. What is lava again? Oh, yeah, grapefruit, blood orange, hoewood, and sandalwood. So it's very uplifting and bright. This would be a good summer perfume. Now let's just make the Sunkissed one, just for the sake of the kit. Let's make it as it is. I was going to make up my own blend, but I can do that anytime. So let's put the label on. This one is going to be called Sunkissed, and we're doing 10 drops of Vanilla Woods and 40 drops of lava. Let's do the 40 drops of lava and then 10 drops of Vanilla Woods. I'm going to swirl those around. And again, with the blend, especially this blend, make sure you wait a week before you judge the final aroma of the perfume. Let's get our perfumer's alcohol in here. I always feel like a mad scientist. Well, I'm a mad scientist, but a scientist when I'm making perfume, and you have to swirl and do these different steps, but it's fun. So after making all of those, I do have more. So I feel like you could make 4 of these size perfumes. So if you have any bottles on hand, you have some extra alcohol to make your own. And Amazon has a lot of these pretty bottles too. So go shop there, buy a different bottle, and make 1 more bonus perfume. I'm gonna give this one a good mix up and then test this one out also. This one is a pretty color, an in-between color of these two. Oh my gosh, this smells good. I feel like Sunkissed is a really good name for this one. It reminds me of summer beach, but just kind of warm and citrusy. I put my lids, oh actually, and since I forgot to do this, just to show you guys what they mean by using the test strips. So I'm going for this one, what did it say for Vanilla Woods? So for this one, we're gonna do 1 drop Vanilla Woods. It's such a thick essential oil. And then 4 drops of lava. Oops. And then you can see what that blend is going to smell like. And it smells so good. I can't wait to smell it again in a week. I'm gonna show you all of the bottles so you can see all of them in the beautiful colors and how pretty they look. So this is how easy it is to make your own fragrance that doesn't have synthetic chemicals and just ingredients that are going to mess up your hormones and just kind of disrupt the systems in your body. And in fact, essential oils have positive benefits instead of the negative ones. So that's the best part about replacing your old, first of all, super expensive perfumes too, like $150 for a huge bottle of perfume. And you can make yours for such a fraction of the price. I'll put the price of this kit somewhere on the screen. Again, the shelf life is 1 year too, so this is going to be way better and they're going to last longer than making an essential oil perfume in just a roller or using a carrier oil. Preserving and making them last a little bit longer using this perfumer's alcohol. Let me know what questions you have. I'll put the link down below along with my code for the monthly subscription box, because you get $45 back if you use my code on that separate box. Anyways, that's Simply Earth. Let me know what questions you have. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. Have a good day. Bye.